How to add to-do list widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, you can use the search bar for convenience. In the search bar at the top, type Reminders to find the widget. You can swipe left or right to preview the different available formats and sizes for the widget. Once you've chosen, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this new widget to configure it. A configuration menu will appear. Tap on the currently selected list, which is Reminders. From the options, select the to-do list to change what the widget shows. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add a to-do list widget to your iPhone's home screen.